Even an LOL doll can become human at Christmas. My little sister and I adore LOL dolls, especially during the holidays. Look, this doll looks a lot like you.
And this Snow Beauty Super LOL looks like you.
How do we decide who looks more like an LOL doll in real life? Mom! Help us decide which one of us is the LOLest. That's easy. We'll have a battle. Who will have the better outfit? A small or a big LOL doll? Let's go! And here's the first idea. A snowflake straight from the Christmas tree. Grab it and run! Sketch a snowflake. Cut it out of white felt. Sew the beams of the snowflake. Decorate it with artificial stones and pearl half beads. Cut a base out of silver foam paper and attach it to the snowflake. Attach a safety pin to the back using a small piece of felt.
There was a perfect outfit somewhere here. Uh-oh, I'll get it. Here it is. A winter vest is exactly what I need. I'm just missing a magical skirt. Complete the look with a snowflake brooch. Now I'm a snow queen.
Hey, this little girl is up to something, but it's a very big secret. There isn't anything left on the tree for me. Are you sure? Look closer. Oh, what an unusual ornament. And what's inside? Another LOL? Unwrap it and we'll find out. They are crystal earrings. Let's make pendants out of artificial crystals. Put eye pins in them and press them in. Make the crystal in the center longer using metal pieces. Attach 3 crystals to a stud earring. Glue a crystal bead to it. Whoa! These crystal earrings are so beautiful! They will definitely match my snow LOL outfit. I'm so lucky!
What a wonderful winter look! Hey, what's peeking out of there? Soft fabric? And a headband? I can make something interesting out of it. But what should I make? Oh, it's a miracle! These earmuffs are so warm and nice.
Cut 2 circles out of plush fabric. Also cut out smaller circles out of foam rubber, cardboard, felt, silver brocade, and interfacing. Wrap the foam rubber and cardboard layers in plush fabric. Put the felt, interfacing, and brocade circles together. Iron them so they stick together. Trim the edges with scrapbooking scissors. Hot glue the end of the headband to the cardboard side of the earmuff. And add the brocade circle on top. Decorate it with a fur pom-pom on top. Make a crown out of felt and brocade the same way. Decorate it with snowflakes and half beads. Attach the crown to the headband.
Whoa! These are earmuffs for a real winter princess!
The big LOL also wants to find a nice outfit. But all of her clothes are way too plain. Ooh! This is what I need! Leggings with spikes! Fold silver jersey fabric in half and make a leggings cutout. Make 2 pieces. Attach velvet ribbon to them. Shape light clay into spikes. Color them with pearly paint after the clay hardens. Sew the leggings. Put elastic ribbon into the waist. Decorate the side straps with the spikes. Now this outfit looks more like something an LOL doll would wear. It's like I'm from a winter fairy tale. But I need one more accessory. Right, a belt! And here it is. Aww, it doesn't match. But miracles happen when it's Christmas time. Attach half beads to a belt. Use Superglue. Cut a base out of glittery foam paper and attach decorative crystals onto it. Cover the bottom of the crystals with a darker shade of foam paper. Attach the belt to the base. Cut off the excess. Trim the foam paper to fit the crystals. Whoa! Snow magic changed my belt! Now it perfectly completes my outfit!
And I need to come up with perfect shoes. A snow queen won't walk around in regular sneakers. We'll need some glitter. Come on, sneakers. Turn into my dream shoes. Nothing happened. How come? Now that's way better.
Coat rubber boots with acrylic polish and sprinkle them with a lot of glitter. Decorate the top with faux fur.
Wow! These boots are the glitteriest in the whole LOL world. Thanks, Magic. I always believed in you.
By the way, what a nice tablecloth! Hey, guys, move! Thanks! I'll put in some effort. Use the magic of scissors and glue and turn this tablecloth into a beautiful skirt. There we go! Now I'm a winter queen! But my face doesn't look royal yet. Let's add some glow and do an LOL makeup look. Apply shimmering light blue eyeshadow to the lids and define the inner corner of the eye. Apply rainbow highlighter to the cheekbones and pink gloss onto the lips. Coat the bottom lip with a layer of pearly eyeshadow. But that's not it yet. A snow queen can't do without precious stones. Attach big rhinestones using medical glue. Oh, I'm in trouble! I don't have a matching bag. So, where should I keep all my royal treasures? Here's a nice box. It quickly turns into a purse. Coat a blank wooden box with silver acrylic paint. Add a pearly layer. Glue felt inside so the box opens like a purse. Cut a base for a 3D crystal out of holographic cardboard along a template. Bend it along the lines and shape a crystal. Attach it to the lid of the box. Hot glue a string of pearls to the box. That'll be the handle. Decorate the ends with felt hearts. Ah, I love my precious purse! Now my snowy LOL outfit is complete! Mom is ready to judge our LOL battle. But for starters, we need to clean up this mess. Like this. Wow! Girls, you're LOL beauties! Good job! And nice outfits! But you are missing some little details. A winter queen needs a crown. Hot glue artificial crystals to pieces of wooden sticks. And wrap them in sparkly white foam paper. Cut off the extra foam paper. Wrap all the crystals in a foam paper. Make spikes out of glittery gray foam paper triangles. Glue the crystals and the spikes to a headband. Make holes on a strip of sparkly foam paper and decorate the headband. Add a foam paper side and decorate the crown with a string of pearls. Oh wow! This is a crystal LOL crown for special occasions. Now your royal snow look is fully complete. And our little LOL snowflake needs to win the title Miss Snow. Write Miss Snow on a satin ribbon in pencil. Trace the letters with fabric paint. Iron it through parchment paper after it dries. Decorate with rhinestones. Cut out V-shaped ends and pin a heart brooch to fasten the ribbon. There you go! You'll definitely win the snow pageant! Girls, you did such a great job! You are so magical! And now, let's take a photo! So this is whose magic was helping the girls the whole time! When you have such beautiful LOL outfits, celebrating Christmas with your family is even nicer! Did you like our magical snow makeovers? Then comment below which outfit you'd copy! Baby LOL or a big winter LOL queen? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up! Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new LOL makeovers from Troom.